Hey everyone, this is Mr. Van here, just making a quick video, really helpful for our CLC students on uploading to YouTube. There are a ton of other videos out there as well, but sometimes a familiar voice is nice, so I thought we would use that. So I've just opened up an incognito window and I've gone to youtube.com. I've logged in. This is, for those who, I know I know everyone's used YouTube, but for those who don't log in when they use YouTube, you just want to log in with whatever you log into your normal Gmail, your Google account. Any Google account will get you into YouTube, and you're going to need to have your own profile in order to be able to upload. So here we are, and you can see I've got the bar on the left-hand side. If you're not seeing it, it might be because it looks like this. You can just expand it. What we want to do is we want to go to your videos, and your videos is going to bring you to the collection of things that you've made over time. And this is where we're going to be able to, you can customize, do all sorts of things with your channel, but just to be able to upload. Right here in this spot right here, this is our creator video or post. So you can do both live, which would make for an interesting presentation if you want to do your CLC presentation that way, but most likely people are going to be uploading and then getting that file over to their computer, or maybe even doing this from their app. You can do this from your app as well. So I'm going to go upload file. So I've logged in, I've gone to the videos, and I've gone to that top part. And all I'm going to do is I've got a video I actually want to share with my grade 11, so we're going to double dip here and make this useful for two reasons. And I'm just going to drag it right into here. You can also go select files and you can find it, wherever you put it on my desktop, for example. I'm going to drag it right there, and it starts to do this thing that looks like a rocket ship with rain. Don't ask me why. Here it is. So I'm going to just give it a name here. You'll see there's kind of 3 pages, and it already starts uploading right here. You can give it a description as well. I can say video to share with grade 11s. You'd be doing something with your CLC. You might just say my CLC Capstone or whatever. Okay, so let's actually cool. And you're going to see right off the bat that there's a link, and you can just click this and it'll copy it, and right away that's the thing you want to share with your teacher. That's the thing you want to share for the Capstone Digital Fair. You'll also be able to choose thumbnails once the video is fully uploaded, and this is where you can choose what it looks like when people search. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see this audience piece. This is just about YouTube and YouTube for kids. Um, I really I can't imagine anything in your capstone presentations that wouldn't be good for kids. So you should be able to pick this. And now we're going to go to the next spot. Okay. These are a couple element things. You really don't need to do anything in here. You can play around with it if you want, but you really don't need to. So you can just go next. And then the final part is this one right here, and this is the key piece. You've got to choose whether you want your video to be public, meaning that anyone can just find it, including the recommended videos that pop up when people first log into YouTube, things like that. Or you can do it as unlisted, or you can do it as private. I'm going to ask that students not choose private, because then you wouldn't actually be able to have other grade 12 seeing your video. Likewise, putting public might not make too much sense unless you really want people to be able to find it easily. The one that makes the most sense is going with unlisted. For mine with the grade 11s, I'm super cool with having it widely, so I'm going to go public. But again, unlisted is probably the one you want to pick for your CLC presentation. And what that means is that anyone who has the link, which is really just anyone in our grade, will be able, in the grade 12, sorry, and your teachers will be able to see the video there. So this is probably the one you want. For the sake of my video, I'm going to go there. And then I'm going to hit publish. And because you can see it's still uploading, it's got a few seconds left, it's going to pop up with this screen. And it's going to just stay like this until it's done. Luckily, they're not going to have to wait too long, so we'll just hold on 1 second. Okay, and we've got to 100% uploaded. That means it's now taken all the information. Now it's encoding the video, which is a fancy way of saying preparing it for everyone to look at. So it's going to do this process right here, and it's going to need to be processed. You can close this and you can come back. So I'm going to go back to my channel. As you can see, it says it's kind of got this like blank page, and it's got all the information. There's no restrictions. It's okay for kids. The visibility is pending. I can click it and I can go back in and I can grab that link. All I have to do is click copy, and you can see it linked to clipboard there. So that's good. And I can make any changes I want to. I can go back And basically, once this is loaded, once it is fully processed, then you'll be able to share it with other people. If I use that link right now, it's just going to pop up with, we're processing this video, please come back later. This means it's going to work, it just means it's not there yet. You can also just, it doesn't seem to, I find, naturally refresh, it just stays at 0. So you can refresh your page if you're a little impatient and you want to keep track of it. Although actually it doesn't seem to have updated. I'm going to come back to this one a little bit later, and I'm going to be able to use it. That's basically all you need to know for uploading to YouTube, though. Hope this is helpful, and let me know by email or over Teams if you have any questions. Okay, thanks so much.